Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm just going to go through these fault codes. So this is BMW 2016 335D. What we have is these, and obviously the engine light's on, and the car is intermittent in terms of power wise from what I can see on here as well. So as you can see, you've got all these faults. Now it takes one thing to trigger all these faults here. The thing that would cause this, obviously EGR on most the BM's recall, which EGR is fine. It shouldn't really go into limp mode in the BM world, but that's just a guess, but I know from experience. So one thing I would say that's causing all these issues from experience, now the glow elements, that's easy. I mean, it's a 6-cylinder, you change all glow plugs, that wouldn't cause anything. Air mass is too high, so what would happen in that sense, it could be the air system within the engine and the intercooler and turbo and whatnot. But if we look at it, it is leaking quite thoroughly here. Now it could be a boost leak somewhere, but most likely what's common on these are the turbo failures. So the turbos do fail, and I could see a large amount of oil underneath. So, and the turbo has oil leak there. So I would most likely say that the turbo, it's a turbo failure. I know it comes up with oxygen sensor and cat leak. It's because the turbo is not functioning correctly, so it's overflowing the But what I would do in this sense is get the turbo sorted. But beforehand, I would just do a smoke test to make sure there is no leaks. Once that's confirmed that there are no leaks and it's fine, and the sensors are in position, I would then do the turbo. But it's 100% the turbo that's causing all this. Another sign would be, so you can see there are fluids within the injectors itself, so the DPF is heavily clogged up, which causes pressure on the injectors.